I think I'm gonna have to go with, though, the Waffle-Magized stuffed ham and cheese French toast.
I knew it.
Yeah, let's do
Too
it.
predictable.
I'm ready for it.
So, Sunny, what do we need? What are the basics for this?
Well, I'm gonna make a quick egg wash. I'm
Right.
just going to make a simple ham and cheese sandwich, dunk it in the egg wash, and get it into my waffle iron, and then it's gonna be done.
Boom.
Yeah,
Boom.
Real simple.
How about that?
Yeah.
Have you
ready
ever
for that?
been a short order cook?
No, I don't have children.
My husband
no.
worked on a line. I worked on a line. Did you ever work on a restaurant line?
No, I eat the food, the short order cook. I'm very good at that. I think I can boil an egg.
That's it.
I think so.
Or you could rip Sunny's
All right.
hat.
I didn't rip it. It just fell off
doesn't
her
know
head.
his own strength.
It just fell off her head.
It happens. Do you
All right.
remember a couple of your first jobs? Did you ever have?
Yeah, no, I was a paper boy. I was phenomenal as a paper boy,
Excellent.
as a young boy growing up. I also was an outstanding shoe salesman
Shut up.
in high school. In high school, I was.
Wait, in a high school? You have a shoe
No,
store
like
in a
while
high
I
school?
was in high school,
Okay, that
I was
makes more
also
sense.
selling shoes.
Down
as
at the
well.
mall?
Yes.
Yes.
In Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, we had an amazing mall called the Maryville Mall.
Yeah.
And that's where I was putting in my time.
Next time I need some athletic shoes, I'm going to take Jess
That's right.
with me.
Yeah, hit me up. I'll give you the advice. Totally. I'm here to help.
Jesse, I don't want you to see my feet. Sorry.
She's also wearing Yeezys, I think, by the way.
Hello, Adidas.
She came down in like her sweats.
Adidas!
What kind of bread are you
This
slicing?
is a nice Pullman loaf, very airy, looks really good.
Fresh baked white.
Yes, so I'm gonna give you a little Swiss right here.
Nice.
I've already got the egg wash, just a little bit of egg and milk, salt and pepper.
Now, is this something that just came to you on the top of your head, or is this something that you've been making for some time now?
I like grilled cheese. And, you know, if you watch my Instagram stories, I love putting my waffle iron to work. There's nothing better
Yeah,
than
we've done
making
that
like
a lot on this show,
hash
too,
browns
right?
in your waffle iron, grilled cheeses. I do so much stuff in
Pizzas,
there.
brownies, cakes.
Yeah.
Everybody that's married or divorced got a waffle iron or 5 in life.
Exactly.
Right? You got to think about new ways to use it.
So I'm just gonna chop this up because everyone knows when you have a hot sandwich, the worst part is when that long piece of meat just kind of flops out on your chin.
Yeah.
You know, plastic surgery is like next thing you
That
know.
sounds horrible.
You've never done that where you bite a sandwich, you just like it's
No,
just
but
the worst.
just the description of it.
like,
sounds like, oh, Lord.
All right, so I've
What
got
about
this.
the mustard? Did the mustard go in the egg? Or
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of mustard on here too. Where is it?
These are right there, yeah.
I hook you up. What I really love about a croque monsieur is like you get that jam sometimes on the side there. A little powdered sugar over the top.
Croque is just a ham and cheese sandwich. A madame is when you put an egg on top of it.
That's
In
right.
this case, you're wrapping it in the eggs.
Yes. A little bit, you know, not too much. Don't want to blow you away. Where'd that butter go? All right, so Waffle-Magized. Let's get this party started.
Make it Waffle-Magized.
Let's Waffle-Magized.
You got it on high, medium?
It's
what are
on
you
a
doing?
nice high. Gonna put some
Grease
butter
it down,
here.
the waffle iron.
Butter, you can hear the butter melting and
Yes.
sizzling. It sounds.
Put some butter up top.
Jess, do you
360
own a
degrees.
waffle iron?
No, I didn't know it was called a waffle iron.
You need to have a... You know what? We need to have a single guy registry out there for Jess. Single dude register.
Oh, so you're giving it a little egg wash?
Nice little
Yeah,
egg
instead
wash.
of putting an egg on top of the ham and cheese, she's coating it in the egg.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, 360 degree egg wash. That goes in,
Oh, it's beautiful.
and then you close it. Because
Yeah.
it's in the corner, you gotta make sure you push it back in that corner.
It's beautiful.
And then
It's
just kind
nice.
of get it down there.
How long do you have to close it for?
You know, about 4 or 5 minutes, not that
Till it
long.
beeps.
Oh, it already smells good.
It does smell amazing.
Already.
Jess? Oh, chew the entire mouthful. We don't want to kill the co-host.
If you don't like it, you can kiss my grits.
So the first
I
thing,
better like it. I'm paying for it. I just got charged.
the first meal in less than 5 minutes, Jesse got to choose. He did kind of a spin on a croque monsieur. He had a Waffle-Magized stuffed ham and cheese French toast. How is it, my friend?
It is delicious. It is savory. It is cheesy. That waffle machine does wonders. I like the Dijon mustard inside.
Yeah, and
Gives
a
it just a
nice
little bit of a
crispy-
kick. And I think I like her idea also of just slicing up the ham.